Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. What is Google Lead and service? Google Leads. Google Leads is a bonkers and service that the bombard their drivers browser with ads when the AdWord reach and appers use who see ads on their since any might not be Elmite as they see the name of Google. Search AdWord enter this system through the few burning and instead without knowledge on drive on use. Google Leads. The Google total guideline, Google Ads, how to grow site traffic and get more Google ad leads. Key taken OS. Whatever your business, you can use Google Ads to grow your website traffic and generate lead from your company. Take a look at top tips and help generate more leads within Google Ads. Perfect your landing page. Number 1. Number 2. Enter your company. By fine throwing your ads and landing page, you can ensure that the right people are clicking on your ads on convert ads lead. Perfect your landing page. Your landing page that the first page of your website, then visitors see after clicking your ad. If you're running the lead generation campaign, that page should always visit and taken the action that you want. Seen you're asking people to share somewhat personal information that design and content of your site meta remembers. If your site don't come access and trust and professional your visit are less key, submit that information. However, few factors to pay attention when you're building the landing page. Load time. When you customer click on your ads, you will only remember that the page and loads quickly. If your page take too long and load, your customer may be fast and level. Improve your landing page speed. Cardability. The additional having clear personal looking site ensure that your content and business information is easy to find, that promote transcription and make it easy for potential customer to get touch with you. Navigation. When a customer click your ad, they expect to be taken to the page that much extent that they search from. Make sure your barriers don't have you turn around your website for their own short quick easy for them find advertising product or service. Simple forums. If you request information from visitors, be client who you browsing these. For example, if you own removal companies and might suggest that people in this including request query for better result, key and format, simple, easy to requesting much information people might get never or anyone stop companies for me. Number 2, enhance your company. The number of one-way increase the site traffic. Make sure that your website and application in search. Here are a few tips to help you improve to Google Ads campaign and drive more traffic and leads. Use looking title keywords. There are two types of keyword short title and long title. Short title keyword are bold and grain. And trend you have average monthly search volume. For example, this Arius name. Since there are more competitors, they are usually budget more quick. When you bid on these keywords, your ad will solve have a hard time etching top short and then search result. Long tail keywords considers of their more words and are them much more specific. For example, USA Atlantic braces. While they tend to draw low search volume, there are more relevance. That means it is like to be used by someone who know extent what when that is the ready to action on your ends translate to more business lead. Test and they are testing again. They include site traffic and generate more leads from Google Ads. Keep taking your campaign and trying new strategy. Experiment with difference beat a message, add messaging, keywords or more. Try running two barriers of the simple when each group and work better. The bidding strategy and with this bring an your improvement. Remove unpermission keywords. Look, choose in keywords performance. Make sure you are not watching more and under performance keyword. Interest in successful keyword. On the tip side, if you notice that great keywords are bring your significant amount of traffic and conversion, consider expanding how you use them. If you're trading that keyword option, try using parse, meta and bread much modern. If you already using parses, meta board much more modified, much instant data change you will allow your ad and efforts even more search which is called encoding in traffic site. After changing why no much tip keep in any result on is that new keywords that your ads are the showing up of the work and ways if you know using broad match and into look which in process and braiding click and watch ad. You may need to update and negative keywords and filters to relevant search that you show up for. Use smart bidding. That bidding use the historical information about his campaign to automatically option your ads and generate the maximum number of leads or conversion. With smart bidding you slip pay per click, but you don't need to adjust your bids manually. Set up smart bidding. The summary: increase increase site traffic and get more leads, improve your landing page and fine tune your ad campaign. Your landing page should be clear, professional and easy. Negative and the should be constantly testing new ads groups, keywords and bring stats on your order to achieve better result with your ad. The sign up your Google Ads today and create a Google account, set the bidding which is finished ad and direct in your goings. Friends, Google the nicely presentation and nicely information. Total Google leads. Google how to search Google leads, how to grow your site traffic and more Google Ads leads. Key taken OS and Google Ads. Google Ads formerly known as Google AdWords in the advertising service by Google that allows business to display ad on Google search result and Google advertising network. By filtering as ad as landing pages, you can use that right people and click your ad and the converts as a leads. Perfect your landing page, load time, credibility, navigation, simple forums. Enhance your campaign. Use long tail keyword, short tail keyword, and test and then test again. Remove upgrading keyword. Invest in successful keyword. Use any smart bidding. Total summaries. Very nice presentation the Google ad leads. Google Leads service is brand and service boards. What is the Google Leads? Google Leads is a not affiliate with and Google in any way or difference and in advertising network display etc etc. Thank you, best of luck.